Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's bag tour is of the vintage Coach Janice Legacy bag, or the longer name was Janice Riccardi-DiSanto's Legacy bag. It was style number 9950, and this specific bag right here was made in China in 2003, and it's in this beautiful light blue color. I believe this color is likely pool, like as in pool blue. So it's just a beautiful light blue color, and this is a crossbody bag. Here's the rest of the strap, and the strap is adjustable, and it does come with the matching two-sided hang tag. And it does come with nickel hardware, and it's also got a matching leather zipper pull. So like I mentioned, this is a little crossbody bag. Here's the front again. Both sides are basically identical, the front and the back. And then here's what the bottom looks like. It's got a split seam down the middle of the bottom of the bag. And then I'll show you the top and interior. So here is the top. Like I mentioned, it's got a zip closure. And then when we open it, I'll show you it does have one interior pocket. So here's the interior, and then it's got a little slip pocket here along the back of the interior of the bag. And then of course it's got the Coach Creed along that back pocket. I'll insert a close-up photo as well so you can see it better than I can easily show it on video. So here's the Creed. So that's the beautiful Janice Legacy bag, style number 9950, and in this beautiful light blue color. And this bag was just posted in our online shop, so if you are interested in looking at it further, the link will be below in the description box. But otherwise, thanks for watching and take care.